All right, guys, it seems like we are starting to go somewhere, okay? But do not get confused, okay? Don't get it wrong. The short squeeze has not started yet, okay? The short squeeze has not started. If you don't believe me, well, check out my latest video where I was sharing with you guys the data backing up, my theory. The results of AMC stock being at this new all-time high has nothing to do with the short covering. Instead, shorts are doubling down. That's why the short volume ratio is still up, and we still have 130 million shares being loaned out there to the hedges. All right. So, how will you know that the real short squeeze are started to happen? Well, I already mentioned this countless times on my videos, guys, on my channel. You cannot predict when the short squeeze will happen. Okay, you just can't, because you are not God. You cannot predict the future. I can't tell you because I just don't know. And I don't care how experienced, which data tool you're using. I don't care who you are. Okay, that's not an answer you can provide. But we can have an indication. We can have a signal. For example, when the rain is about to pour down, you know that something is brewing up in the sky, right? The cloud gets dark and darker. You might see some lightning, okay? You might check at your GPS. You might check at your map, and it will tell you that the rain is coming. Well, it's gonna be the same here for the short squeeze. The volume will tell us exactly what is happening. For example, today we had 700 million shares traded. That's the volume we had today. And the average 10-day volume on AMC is around 174 million. So that's huge. That's huge. Okay. Now, since the shorts are not covering, when they start to do so, we know we have millions and millions and dozens and millions of shares that they will buy back, right? Now, when the volume stocks up, okay, when the volume goes all the way up to that billion mark, okay, billion shares exchange on a daily basis, 1.5 billion, 2 billion. That's how you will have an indication, okay, not a confirmation, but an indication. Because even though we get to that 1 billion, 2 billion volume in terms of shares being traded on a daily basis, it still can be the result of more buyers coming in because of the fear of missing out. Okay, there are a lot of people who missed out on GameStop, but they don't definitely want to miss out on AMC. So that being said, guys, we still need to be careful about fear of losing out. Okay, we know that now FOMO is our friend. That's why we get more and more volume day after day. But at a point, especially when the shorts start covering, follow fear of losing out. That's when you check your profit, your unrealized gain, and then you get tempted to press the sell button. Guys, this is not a joke. Tell me, I've been there, okay? I'm trading stocks. I've been trading stocks for a while. I've been investing for a while now. So I do know the feeling of when you are really tempted to press the sell button. But you have to know what you hold. And that's why if we continue to hold together, guys, we can be all millionaires. Yes, all millionaires.